Welcome to Road Adventures Hawaii. I'm Nick Morris. This is what we do. Like and subscribe, boys.
Our mission today. I was like, I don't know, Tyler, the bite's been slow. Tyler even was like, yeah, it's been slow, the bite fishing. So guess what? We're going diving today. We have no idea what we're doing. So don't even watch this video if you're like, oh, these guys are bomb divers. No, this is more like introduction to diving right here. It's like diving
for morons.
diving for morons. So Tyler, we have me, and then we have, introduce yourself to everybody.
Brayton B-Nut is the nickname.
B-Nut.
They're Brayton with us.
We are definitely open to all the help and critiquing possible. Just don't talk shit because we don't know what we're doing.
So it should definitely be an adventure. And then I don't know, we're going to North Shore somewhere. We don't even know where we're going yet. We're gonna go hunt for a spot. It's definitely a sunny day with no wind, no waves. Tyler's like, let's go look for Kole somewhere. But North Shore is limited. We need places in Kaneohe Bay. That's the spot to go for Kole. Alright, so we'll be at the beach shortly. We'll see you guys when we get there. Well, what's your claim for today, Tyler? What do you think's gonna happen today?
I'm gonna swallow water about 12 times.
Nice
I'm gonna miss 27, maybe 30 shots and probably connect twice. Brayton's gonna float on the surface like a whale the whole time. I'm probably gonna get hurt at some point. That sounds about right.
And we learned another thing. Me and Tyler both have like Super Duty Fords. He brought his beater Tacoma. Dude, this thing is smarter than we're used to. We're like really close together. It's never this close.
It's an elbow rub kind of day.
It's an elbow kind of day. And Tyler's like, we can't go fish without eating breakfast first. See if everybody poke bowls.
Damn right.
Bought, not caught. It's probably frozen tuna, but whatever. It's good enough to get in the water, right, Tyler?
Yep.
So breakfast of champions. Poke bowl for breakfast. This is a Hawaii thing, guaranteed.
In the words of Kai, that'll do.
That'll do.
Where else in the world do they eat poke bowls for breakfast? Nowhere.
Me.
Alright, poke bowls. We'll see you back after we get done eating poke bowls. I told Tyler, why'd you put your feet down all the way over here and I walk backwards the whole way? Look at him. Backwards, man, backwards, man. I can walk backwards as fast as you can. Alright, here we go. Play the music. We'll see you guys in the water. Gears, and for me it's kind of a deeper spot for me, and I mean, so with diving it can be dangerous, so don't go beyond your means. Don't try to go deeper than you can. Over here it's probably like, I don't know, 25 feet or so. The deeper spot maybe like 35, 40, I don't know, somewhere around there. But I know I can get the top part, but I'm not going to the bottom because you don't get in trouble. So diving, the tip, beginner tip from Nick Morris for you guys: don't dive beyond your means. Stay safe. Stay safe. Go home. Dive with partners. If always something does happen, someone's gonna watch your back. Even though I don't think Tyler can get on that deep. We're on the hunt for Koles. We're not big game guys. We're not looking for luas, ukus, and oohs. We're looking for Kole. And those little guys, apparently everybody else goes for Kole for over here also. Alright, back to diving. So I got one Kole so far. I'm trying to work that pow, but my bio time isn't great. This is my first time diving like deeper than tackle diving in years, probably like over 10 years. So I don't have the lung capacity like a lot of you guys actually bombing on YouTube. So, whatever. This is introductory, like basic 101, not even 101. This is basically 99 or something. But I got one Kole. I'm gonna try work our way around this shelf and just see if we can find more Kole. See if we can see what happens today. Dive in a secret spot by Mokalia side. Alright, let me put my mask back on and we'll see you, as Damien would say, under the water. Alright, everybody, here we go.
So we just got done diving. As you saw there, it was some action. We had Tyler. Tyler had his get his Kole, shot his Kole, it ripped off. I went down to get it afterwards. And the hoggy swam away with it in his mouth. And his mouth swam away with it. So what'd you get? I don't know, we got all kinds of stuff.
And 2 Koles.
I got a Kole, and I don't know what the other stuff is. What's that stuff called, Bree?
You got a hold
The Kala. The unicorn.
No, it wasn't a Kole, it had the orange dot.
Oh, I got a big 9.
Big 9. I got a 9 too, and I forget the other one. It's like Kala family.
Yeah.
But pretty good.
Oh, chop car.
Overall, I'll see we had some action today, right?
Yeah.
So I think it was a successful dive. We have some fish to eat.
It was a success, but we suck.
Yeah, we suck. So see you at home for the catch and cook. See you at home for the catch and cook.
I gotta lose some weight.
Dude, Tyler, show everybody your stuff. The T for Tyler. T for Tyler.
Tea bags.
All right, everybody. We'll see you at home. So the footage wasn't that great underwater. We're not divers. We don't know how to point that cameras in the right direction. So it's too much of a downward angle, I guess. But that's why we kind of rushed through that footage because it wasn't the greatest. But here is our score of the day. I know there's some really good spots in Kaneohe for Kole. And Tyler's never tried Kole today. So I'm sure after trying Kole for the first time today, it's going to blow his mind. So if you guys can message us and let us know where the good spots are for Kole in Kaneohe, will be greatly appreciated. I won't show your spots online. Potentially.
We'll teach you how to catch ahi if you teach us how to catch Kole. Huh?
No.
Well, I can't dive
No.
that deep.
We're looking for a good spot on Oahu that's shallow.
Yeah, that's in our capabilities.
Yeah. Watch the guys go 100 feet. We'd die going down.
You know, this Kole looked a lot bigger when I first shot
Yeah,
it.
that's why it looks underwater. Hey, wait, what's on my Kole first? See, his Kole is the bigger one.
Mine's right here. Yours is right there.
Oh, yours is bigger.
That's it right there.
So this is like, this right here
It's small.
is the, no wait, this is good size Kole.
Wow, that's baby.
This is like the butterfish of the sea for Hawaii. Hawaiian butterfish right here, Kole. What was that? Yellow eye, was it orange or yellow? I'm colorblind. Yellow eye tang, I think is what it's called.
Hey, Bray, what are you doing?
This stuff is the good stuff.
That's what? The 9?
Kole, right?
So this is our catch for today. Not impressive by the most part, but I'm sure some of you guys are like, wow, but sure the divers are like, you guys are terrible.
You gotta start somewhere. You don't start catching 5 ahis. You start catching baby sheebies
That's
first.
a
You
big
gotta start
ass
somewhere.
You gotta walk. Tyler's got a good payment there. You have to walk before you run.
I thought you shot 2 Koles.
Who?
You.
It ripped off.
Oh, so I'm the Kole champion of the day.
Yeah, you're a Kole champion today. You got 2. I got 1.
And mine's bigger.
I don't think there's. I know there's no size limit on any of these stuffs.
Oh, this is a mean barb.
Oh yeah, that's what I was scared. But look at those. Look at those blades. These things will cut you wide open. Look at that. So you have to be careful. They're really
Here
sharp.
we go. So let the scaling process begin. And the scaling begins.
So we got Koles, We got Ninui, what is it called?
Nah.
Nine, another Kole, and then what is this called?
What kind of color?
Kole family, I don't know what it is. There's no size limit on these guys, but. So we're gonna clean the Kole like how Justin Lee does it on YouTube. If you ever saw those guys, Ryan Myers and Justin Lee, this guy do it like champions. But let's see. Oh, that's the technique right there.
Wow.
Right on. That's the way to do it. We have to think about it for a minute. We have to reference the video. I know how they did it somehow. Dude, that's the way to do it right there. Awesome.
We're gonna just ride the rib bone right down right there.
Yeah.
Guys, don't critique me on this, because like I said, I've never filleted one of these before.
Midnight, you
I
such
know.
a good kid. Look, they're eating Midnight.
I gotta say, the meat looks pretty nice on this fish. Minus whatever the heck that is.
What?
Midnight, why do you always...
I wonder why it's all black in the
Well, I don't
stomach.
know. But you should always scrape out the black before you cook it, they said. Because anything with black bellies, I don't like mullets and stuff that have a black belly, doesn't taste good. They say you should always get out the black belly in it. You should get to the cat. The cat will eat it.
Oh, my cat eat this. She might get sick. So, trick, guys, when you guys go and cut fish, you don't have to, if you're going to fillet, you don't got to scale the whole thing. You just scale to trim the edge, fillet it off, flip it over, hold the skin in the back, just work the edge back and across.
I don't know if I want to eat that.
Ta-da! Hence, say 3 things. You don't have scales everywhere. You got a clean fillet like that, and you don't got to clean up the mess. That's a pain in the butt to scale fish. Bro, where's the bag? Watch out. Here, make the boom boom.
Put gas in there. Dude.
You're gonna burn his mic.
Hey, don't smash it over here, stupid ass. Oh my god. This is what happens when there's COVID and you can't go Kobe Steakhouse. You don't make it at home. Nothing like lighter fluid on your fuel. Don't put it on there yet. It's gonna make it all stink. No, don't put it on there
take
yet.
off the gut.
No, you don't have the guts in there.
Don't take the guts out.
I'm not eating this.
You shot it. You're a freaking idiot. Whatever you shoot, you eat.
Tell the truth, worst reef fish I ever ate has to be manini.
What?
Manini sucks.
Manini tastes good.
Tastes like...
Oh my god, manini tastes good. So we got the grill. We're gonna put the 9-eye on there, just on the grill straight. Not gutty them or nothing, just straight on the grill. There you go. And this one, I don't know what it is. It's not a regular collar. There's no size limit on them, so I don't know what it is either. There we go. Throw them both on the grill.
Fillet's going in.
Oh, ow! Why'd you try to take you for?
I wanted to burn you.
Burn, baby, burn now.
And Nick, let's show the people at home what Fat Boy Healthy is.
Fried avocado
Deep fried avocado.
in a meal sriracha sauce. Oh yeah, because that's gonna make you lose a lot of weight. Oh my god. Exactly. Okay, this is Tyler's first shot eating Kole.
Terrible.
Yeah, right.
No, that's super good.
Yeah, right.
That's good.
Tell me that's not good.
That's good. What?
Not much bones in either. Oh my god. This stuff is burning over here. Oh no. So the way you eat this,
Holy shit, Nick.
put the skin. No, it's fine.
Yeah, everybody's
Don't
got
skin.
one.
Huh?
That means it's done.
Yep.
Everybody's got to take a bite of it.
That's how you cook it. Put it on the grill, peel the skin, put some shoyu on there, Tyler. What is that? A little bit shoyu? Oh yeah. I don't think this one's done yet. That one's not done yet, I don't think. That one's done though. Yeah, white meat.
That's like homegrown chili pepper.
Now go rub your eyes.
Not really.
Okay, so here we go. We're gonna give the, what's this called? What is it called again? We give the 9-eye a try. No one else wants to try it. Kill it, you gotta eat it. We're gonna eat this today, guaranteed. 9-eye, just a little shoyu sauce. Not bad. Seaweedy, not bad at all though. These cook a little longer. It was kind of, yeah, a little raw almost. So we'll end it there. Time for us to get some beers and some food. Almost. And we'll see you guys on the next adventure. If it's your first time here, subscribe. Thanks for watching. As always, tight line, stay fishing, and we'll see you on the water. Probably be back on the boat next week. All right, everybody. Aloha. It's time to eat some more. It's good. Not bad at all. Good stuff. Need some rice now. No rice. I forgot I'm on a diet. Damn.